Hello everyone and welcome back to a new lecture. Basically to a new section, visualizing data in Python. Okay, now we'll start with data quality report. When you have looked at enough data sets, you will develop a set of good questions you want answered about the data to ascertain how good the data set is. So there are following scripts. I'm going to write it down that combine to form a data quality report that I use to evaluate the data sets that I work with. We'll start with importing the data set. Now first thing first, we have to write it down that import pandas as PD, and then you have to find the location where you have already saved that file. Okay, now df is equals to pd.read CSV location. Now df dot head bracket. Now df dot mode dot transpose. Okay, so this load dataset from CSV. Okay, now let's finding data types of each column. We have different script for that. Now let's do that. Data types is equals to pd dot data frame df dot d types columns is equals to data type. Now data types. Okay, now let's load counting number of missing observations by column. Missing data, you have to make sure for the spellings. Counts is equals to pd dot data frame. My god, what's happening to my spellings? df dot is null. Now dot sum function. Now you have to comma the down columns. We have to write in the square bracket missing values. Okay, now missing data counts. We have this. Okay, so we got the missing values. Now let's move on to counting number of present observations by columns. For that we have present data counts pd dot data frame tf dot count. Now columns is equals to present values. Now present data counts. We have this. Now counting number of unique observations by columns. We will do that in the next lecture.